Hi guys, Mr. New Mobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. The Google Pixel Watch is one of our favorite Wear OS watches in terms of styling and software experience, but it's not hard to spot its flaws. Battery life is middling at best, and although the watch features a unique, high-end aesthetic, it falls flat in many ways compared to other high-end Wear OS options today. The Pixel Watch has aging internals and a 30Hz display that's not as smooth as what you get from Samsung and others. We didn't see much in the way of credible Pixel Watch 2 leaks until late spring. Toward the end of May, 9 to 5 Google reported learning from anonymous sources that the Pixel Watch 2 could come with a major internal upgrade. While the first generation is powered by a years-old Samsung chipset, the Pixel Watch 2 will sport a Qualcomm Snapdragon W5 chipset. Whether the baseline W5 or the newer W5 Plus powers the Mobvoi TicWatch Pro 5, it would mean both performance and battery life gains. The second-gen Pixel Watch will use the non-Plus Snapdragon W5 chipset along with the same NXP coprocessor used in the original model. Android Authority further says that the second-gen Pixel Watch will have a marginally larger battery, 306 mAh compared to the first-gen's 294 mAh. Finally, the report says that the Pixel Watch 2 will come with ultra-wideband support, though that functionality isn't spelled out in the FCC documentation spotted later in the month. Google app beta to what it believes to be the Pixel Watch 2 under the codenames EOS and Aurora, potentially Wi-Fi and LTE models. It also found a new animation for what appears to be Google Assistant functionality on the Pixel Watch 2, and based on the animation, it doesn't seem the new watch's design will be much different from the first model. However, the animation may be a placeholder. That is it. Please subscribe, like the video, comment and share. See you on my next video. Peace out.